In this section, we're going to learn how to edit on the timeline. Now, I'm a big fan of having you double click and kind of set your in and out points up here. But sometimes when you're trying to, as we were doing before, kind of tighten things up, the timeline is a great place to do some editing. So let's say that I just want to, and I'm going to zoom out here hitting my minus key. Let's just say that I want to kind of cut this after the first stir, like that, right about there. There are a couple different ways I can do this. I can use my blade tool here to cut and then delete. Now you'll notice that I cut here and this part up here did not get cut, and that's because we still have it locked. So unlock that, and then I can just cut on that line, and then if I switch over to my arrow or press the V key, I can hit delete. Another thing that we can do is we can also, I'm going to undo that, if we just drag over here, you'll see that you get this little arrow, and you can just drag that into the area that you want. Right now, it's not very precise, but if I go over here to this little snap to timeline, we can also do that by pressing the S key. Now it'll snap right to and kind of stick to where I have that playhead.